This time we stayed at 7 Points, an Army Corps of Engineers campground near Nashville, Tennessee. We liked it so much we came back for a second visit. Check out why. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
1 mile, arrive at 1810 Stewart's Ferry Pike on the right.
How you doing?
You're a big boy.
Yeah, yeah.
What's your last name, sir?
Watts.
Thank you. You should be able to get around that, Joe.
Yeah, I'll get around.
Thank you.
Take note that the videos are sped up in many areas of this video. The roads in this campground are tight, and in many areas they have ditches on either side of the roads. We had to work pretty hard to get into Site 44 the first time that we visited, and we had to work even harder the second time we visited in Site 49. 7 Points Campground offers 59 shady and spacious campsites along with 2 large group picnic shelters. The campground features drinking water, dump station, flush toilets, and hot showers. A boat ramp and swimming beach are provided. The group picnic shelters are located in the day use area and can accommodate more than 100 guests each, making 7 Points an ideal spot for large parties and family functions. 7 Points is located on 𝗣𝗟𝘁𝗲𝗍𝗄 Lake. 𝗣𝗟𝗁𝘁𝗲𝗍𝗄 Dam and Lake was one of the first Corps of Engineers lakes to have recreation as part of its justification. The dam, completed in 1968, impounds 42 miles with 14,200 surface acres of water. And don't fall off the curb.
Damn, I'm close. We're on Site 44.
Yeah, we got a long ways to go.
There's the boat launch. Shut down.
That's beach parking. They got a beach here.
All right. There's Cougar.
Boat launch, I guess.
Yep.
40, 42, and we're 44.
It's tight. Good. Watch the rock on your left. You're off the pad, but you're okay. Cut it whenever you can to the driver. You're okay. But you're going to have to start cutting because you're going to come to a tree in 20 feet. Keep coming. You okay? You're going to clear the tree. Okay, now you're crawling. You're okay. Only the tires are straightened out.
Come here and tell me how I am on my front end. I can see all that, but I can't see this.
Here?
Yeah.
You're fine.
Okay, can
What's the road over here?
I pull forward some and turn towards you?
Tree right there.
Come here. Can I pull forward and go that way?
You're okay.
I see the tree.
3 feet.
I see it.
Adjacent to the lake is over 19,000 acres of grasslands and woodlands. A highlight of the region, 𝗶𝗟𝗔𝗬𝗟𝗍𝗟𝗏 Natural Area is home to wildlife and rare plant species, including the Tennessee coneflower. The lake provides a variety of outdoor recreational opportunities for millions of visitors each year. Because of the temperature, climate, and relatively long recreation season, visitors have numerous activities to choose from, including fishing, hunting, picnicking, boating, canoeing, hiking, horseback riding, and wildlife viewing. Fishing opportunities abounds at 𝗣𝗟𝗁𝗃𝗃 Lake, with a wide variety of species available, including largemouth and smallmouth bass, crappie, striped bass, Cherokee bass, white bass, and others. The 𝗵𝗟𝗃𝗃𝗃 Nature Trail is located in nearby Cook Recreation Area and features a 1.6 miles of nature trails through the wooded area. 7 Points is open April 1st through October 30th, and you must make your reservations and pay online at recreation.gov. You can reserve 12 months in advance. Sites are $26 per night for 30 and 50 amp with water. If you have an American the Beautiful National Parks and Federal Recreation Land Senior Pass, the campsites are half off. You can purchase that at stores.usgs.gov/senior-pass. So the amenities include not just being 10 miles from Nashville, but they do have the flush toilets, beach access, boat ramp, dump station, an entrance station, laundry facilities, parking area, playground, showers, trash collection, electricity hookup, fire pits, picnic tables, barbecue, and water hookup. Things you need to know: off-road vehicles are not permitted. 2 tents or 1 tent and 1 RV are permitted per campsite. 2 vehicles are allowed per site. Skunks frequent the area, so store food in approved containers. There's a $3 fee per vehicle for guests or campers. Firewood quarantines are in effect, so firewood from outside the area is not permitted. Camping limit is 14 days in any 30 consecutive day period on 𝗣𝗟𝗁𝗃𝗃 Lake. This rule applies to all campgrounds combined in that area associated with the Army Corps of Engineers. Wi-Fi is not provided at this campground. We came back to this campground and stayed in Site 49, which was even trickier to get into due to a ditch in the narrow road out in front of the campsite. This time we stayed longer and we went down to Nashville. You'll see pictures of that coming up.
Middle of a concrete pad. You're good? Good. Good. Gonna be tight on the passenger. You go up over the curb, you'll be alright. Stop.
This is Site 49. It has a huge concrete patio. And listen to the cicadas. At least I think that's what they are. is right across from a bathhouse. Fortunately, we weren't able to get a sight on the water this time, but very private in here.
And around back's the laundry, like in an alcove, just like that.
Okay. So we are right up here. Nice and clean. Smells good. Toilets on this side. Dave said it had plenty of real hot water. Got hooks out here. And the handicap shower with the pan to put your soap on and shampoos and hooks for your stuff. Regular shower. Nice. Laundry is outside. One washer and one dryer. Kind of interesting that they're outside. But at least I got them. $1.50 to dry and $1.75 to wash. If you want to do laundry off-site, you can go to Express Wash and Dry. It's only about 10 minutes away. It's very clean and they have huge capacity machines there. Prices are very reasonable. Dump station might be a little tight for us.
If I come here. Way out here. Turn it way wide, I can get here. Then I gotta, I don't know. I'll have to come way out here.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll have to try it. That's all we got.
Then you'd have to come out this way and hope your tote doesn't hit anything on the way out, huh?
That's pretty clean here.
So, we're back at the front, and I believe this is our host right over here. And here's our ranger station.
How's it going, Dave? I'm good. How you doing, Bill?
No sewers on any sites. I believe they're all 50 amp, all with water. A lot of them have concrete pads, and as with other United States Army Corps campgrounds, you have good space in between. A lot of the roads, a lot of the drives to campsites are long.
But they have these ditches.
Yeah, on both sides of the roads.
Some campsites have culvert pipes underneath them, and that makes it kind of difficult to get in and out of.
Yep, you can't be too long in a lot of these areas to be able to get in because of the ditches.
With this turn
Look
right
at this one right here, yeah.
we come close to putting it in there.
On the left side.
Left side. Yep.
There's your Lake Percy Priest. These are some nice long sites here. I mean, look how long this sucker is here. Some of these along the lake have a raised pad, like this one. Some of them come with a great big, huge pink swan. Look at that sucker.
I know, that thing's huge.
A lot of these, I mean, there's a beach right there. You can swim right off the back of your
site.
Your site, yeah. So this is really nice. So you can also drive over here to the beach. That site's right across the street as well. So there's your beach with the kids' play area. Yeah, if you didn't have the ditch on both sides of the road, it'd be a whole lot easier to back in. There's only a couple pull-throughs and they're not long. Look how long this sucker is, 31. This is the launch area. The actual dock attached to, next to the launch is underwater. This campground has a guest review score of 4.7 stars, and the mobile coverage averages out to about 3.3 out of 4. Here we are in Nashville on a Monday, late afternoon. This is just too much fun. Jack's Barbecue. Gonna get us something to eat so we can keep on drinking. We're at Tootsie's. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.